Danielle with WTI here, and it's time to do some nails featuring this dust collector from Ayshone. I first had to remove some nails, and I want to show you what that would look like without this dust collector. There's dust everywhere on my desk, it's floating in the air, and believe me, you do not want that. But once I put this on, you can see the difference. It works really well in keeping me and my area clean. And in case you need further proof, here's all the dust collected once I was done. I mean, do I need to say more? Imagine all of this would have been floating around in my house, but because of this dust collector, I don't have to worry about that. I was really impressed with the performance. I like that it comes with two filters because I can easily swap one out if I needed to. But if I do decide to clean it, it's very easy to do so. The dust just falls right out of it with a few taps. Now hear me out. You know when you're doing your nails and you have at least, at minimum, 150 things on your desk. That's what it feels like. I know that's an exaggeration, but I love that this dust collector is small and compact and it doesn't take up much space at all. Added to that, it was really easy to set up and use right out of the box. If you're in the market for a dust collector, I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.